So I just got these AirPods to replace my AirPods that spoiled, and this one, it comes in a package like this. When you open it up, of course you have the manual, you also have the charger, and of course you have the AirPod. Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth AirPod, and when you open it up, it comes just like this. This is what it looks like, and you have your AirPods right here. One thing I like about this is when I've already charged it before, it fits perfectly and it's very stable. It doesn't slip off. You can see I can put it in my hair and it pairs very quickly. Like right now, it has finished pairing with my phone. It pairs very, very quickly and it's very stable. The reception is excellent. This actually works better than the AirPods that I have. I can't even believe that. And the price was perfect, very, very affordable, great price for what I got. I absolutely like it, and it looks very, very beautiful.